What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my GT350R Scarlet, and today I will be performing a fairly simple install. I will be installing the Ford Performance Air Oil Separators. I actually went with the Ford Performance Air Oil Separators since they are an OEM part from Ford and they flow very well with the engine bay. So if you come along with me, I have everything laid out already that I will be using for the install. And right here I have the passenger side. As you can see, I won't be needing any tools. And here we have the driver's side. I will be using a 10mm socket and 2 push pins and a mounting nut that was provided by Ford. So I'm going to be starting with the driver's side. Since I had already installed these before, you will have to remove a clip that's here, and you will also have to cut the sound reduction material here. So this is a 6mm push pin, and this one will go here. Now I'm going to be putting the 8mm push pin underneath the strut bar here. So I got both clips in now, and now I'm going to finish tightening the nut. Now I'm going to be removing the factory hose. Now I'm going to be installing the Ford Performance hose. Right. And now for the other side. And we're done. Now I'm going to be installing the passenger side. Now that the clips are in on the catch can, I'm going to be installing the hoses. So this part's optional. I'm going to be zip tying the wiring harness onto the hose. So that completes the installation. As you can see, it was fairly simple. If you're wondering why I installed oil catch cans or what they do, I made a whole separate video, and I will leave a link in the description down below, or I will also have a link somewhere there in the corner. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!